You're still single? It's such a simple question, but somehow it can sound like an accusation, especially when you're 30. People don't just ask you if you're single, they ask it with surprise, with concern, sometimes even with pity. As if being single at 30 automatically means something went wrong. For a long time, I let it get into my head. I looked around and saw engagements, weddings, pregnancy announcements, happy couples photos, and I couldn't help but wonder if I'm falling behind. Maybe you've asked yourself the same question. Maybe you've wondered if you are too late, if you've missed your chance, if everyone else has figured out it except you. I've had those thoughts too, and honestly, being single at 30 can be hard. Not because there's something wrong with being single at 30, but because society constantly reminds you you're supposed to be somewhere else. You're supposed to have found your person. You're supposed to build in a family. You're supposed to have your future planned. But who decided that? Who created this invisible timeline we're all supposed to follow? The truth is, life doesn't happen on one schedule. Some people meet the love of their lives at 22, others at 42. Some people get divorced, some never marry, some are happier alone. There isn't one right way to live. I've realized something over the past few years. Being in a wrong relationship is lonelier than being single. I've seen people stay with someone simply because they were afraid of being alone, afraid of starting over, afraid of what others people will think. I don't want that. I'd rather spend another year single than spend years with someone who made me feel unseen. Being single has taught me things I would not think I would learn otherwise. I've learned how to enjoy my own company, how to make decisions without asking for permissions, how to build a life that feels like mine. Do I still want love? Of course. I'm not pretending I don't. I hope one day I met someone who make my life richer. Someone kind, someone emotionally mature, someone I can laugh with. But I don't want a relationship just to stop feeling lonely. I want a relationship because it feels right. Until then, I'm still living my life. I'm still learning English. I'm building this YouTube channel. I'm becoming someone I'm proud of. Because I don't want my happiness begin the day when I meet someone. I want to be happy before they arrive. Maybe being single at 30 isn't the tragedy we all think it is. Maybe the real tragedy is believing that your life can't truly begin until you're in a relationship. So let me ask you, do you think being single at 30 is something to worry about? Or do you think the society puts too much pressure on us? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye!